भारत शांति चाहता है, लेकिन भारत उकसाने पर हर हाल में यथोचित हर हाल में यथोचित जवाब देने में सक्षम है।
Suddenly this happens and you sort of recognize the challenge that perhaps is there, continues to be there on the border, and if not handled correctly, then this can really escalate to something much graver than we had initially imagined.
This time what I see is a more aggressive posture by the Chinese, which looks like a deliberate policy to create confusion between India, or rather deteriorate the relationship between India and China at the highest level. That is the feeling I get.